serious, guys. You can all go fuck yourselves.
Many people with headaches just can't keep their shit together when watching me talking about this stuff. I get it. I mean, yeah, not everybody's a genius. Right, so yeah. If anybody could please help me to order Ultimate CMOS. I mean, I had this thing where I used to say, like, I'm actually, like, a lesbian in a man's body. Yeah, thanks, Duper. Oh, yeah, doesn't he do? Yeah, they do. Yeah? Guess what? It's not enough. I've been telling everybody that for years! Because I'm actually attractive. Like, I'm physically attractive. Like, my spirit and all that shit, yeah, that can drive women nuts. I didn't exactly have a really good role model in my dad when I was younger. I mean, he's... as a role model of a wizard dad, it really works. Like, now, like, he's great.